Hey guys, what's good? How you doing? I hope you are doing well. Welcome to Vinyl TV. If you are new to this channel, and if you are, please consider subscribing. I will appreciate it. Thank you very much indeed for stopping by. Thank you very much indeed for clicking. I want to show you what we got here. We got this gear. This is Canon TS3451. This printer is multifunctional printer. It's multitask, 3-in-1 if you like, in the sense you can copy, scan and print from this gear. I'm going to give you an overview for this printer. Then we load the paper tray and also scan the document, print and share is what we're going to do. Turning this printer around, the power cable goes right here. 3-pin power cable is this one. Two power cables is included. One is 2-pin, the other one is 3-pin. Okay, and remember this printer is dual band. You can connect it via Wi-Fi network and the USB cable. Right now it's connected via Wi-Fi network, and this is the USB cable. I'm afraid it's not included in the packaging. We have this at Vinyl Tech Store, free delivery here in UK. So this is the USB cable. I'm going to turn this printer around. Here is the paper tray. You load particular paper you want, A4 paper 4x6. So this is A4 paper we're going to load. So load particular paper you want and adjust it to the holder. Turn this around. This is a flat bell scanner. Here is the scanner, flat bell scanner, beautiful stuff. This printer is very economical. It's built with your space in mind for student work and office work. If you open up this section, the ink cartridges holder can rise in the middle for you to change it. It does this automatically. It's using ink cartridges, black and color. The colored one is 546 color. If you check my video, see how we loaded this. And the black is 545. You can print 7.7 print for black color and 4.4 print for color. Okay, and this printer is basically got real paper feeding and mobile printing device, borderless photo printing, segment LCD screen, hybrid ink system, auto power off and on. Like I mentioned earlier, 7.7 print for black and 4.0 for color. So basically this is the overview. Right now you switch this printer on and off right here. This button here is for Wi-Fi network. We press this button during Wi-Fi connection, and also this button here is for to identify your proximity. We also press it to identify this printer proximity. Right now this is the LCD screen. This button here is for you to change to particular paper. Okay, and you can, this for you to cancel, this is for you to copy black, and this button here is for you to copy color. Okay, right now this is open. So once it's in, I'm going to show you right now and see. So this is the on and off button. This is Wi-Fi button. This button is identify your proximity, and this is LCD screen. You can see inside this LCD screen you see the full gauge for the Wi-Fi with the mobile device. It shows that it's connected right now. Check my video how we connected this printer to Wi-Fi network. And this is A4 paper. So with this button here you can change it to particular paper you want. Let's say if you press it right now, it change to B5 liter. Okay, so you just need to change it A5, LGL, liter, A4. So once you make sure it's A4, then you press OK. It go back to normal. Okay, so this is the function of this button. This is for you to cancel, copy black and copy color. Right now what I want us to do is basically load the paper tray. Once we load the paper tray, then we'll scan the document. I'm going to show you how to scan your document, print this document out and send to people. So for us right now, what we need to do is first of all load A4 paper. So I have A4 paper right here. Just need to get a decent amount. So this A4 paper, okay, and okay, just need to go in. Okay, so this A4, then what you need to do is just need to adjust it. Don't overload it. You can put decent amounts so that it will be easy, so that this printer will recognize it. So this is how to load it. Just adjust it to the holder so that you recognize it. Okay. Now what I want us to do is to scan. For you to scan a document, I have this book right here. I want us to scan. Okay, so for you to scan ID card, your passport or document, anything at all, just stick it to the scanner. Okay, once you stick it to the scanner, then close it. Then we need to go back to the mobile device app. Okay, like I mentioned, this printer is connected via via Canon Smart app. Okay, so what we need to do right now, go back to the app. So go back to Play Store, click it open. So this is the app. So right now this printer, okay, so right now this printer is connected. What we need to do right now is basically here it is. This is the app. Okay, so right now you can print image. Once you connect this printer to Wi-Fi, we'll show you that this is select image for you to print. Okay, but what I want us to do is close it. Okay, click continue. Now it will take you for you to register your ink. Okay, register to unlock power of Canon printer. So if you want to register, then you go ahead and click registration. Okay, so this is the registration section. But what I want us to do is actually for us to asking us right now, wait momentarily. So if you buy ink, it will ask you this is about terms and condition. Click start. Okay, so you put your detail for you to register. Okay, and what I want us to actually do is you can actually click sign in later on. Okay, so it's not asking us about the software, so you can skip the software. You can sign this up later on. So what we need to do is go back to the app. Now this is this print, this is the app. Okay, so click, so here is the app. Okay, so basically what you need to do is from this app, you just need to select the function we want to do. Initially it was asking us for us to load register this printer. So what you need to do is select photo print, document print, create photo, supply photo, scan, copy, and more. Select scan. So from this scan, from this document we have here, okay, then you select, go to settings, change JPEG to PDF document. PDF is usually for photo, okay, and select the document type, and the color is colored, okay, and A4 paper. Once you select that, click scan. Right now it's scanning. Very quick and fast. So right now this is the document scan. Do the same thing to the second page. Click scan. Okay, and once you're done, click exit. This document will save. Okay, and the another thing I want to show you is for us to print this document out. Click print, okay, or click share. Then you go to look for Canon app. So scroll down, look for Canon print app, and this document right now is processing. Page 2 of 2. Okay, so the next thing you need to do is click next, or the page print, click OK, and click yes. Right now what we need to do is click print. Right now it's processing. There we go. It's getting ready to print. This is the first one. There we go. So this is the second document to scan. Okay, and the other thing you can do is also this printing is successful. Click OK. So you can also, if you want to, you can go back and like we share this document, you can also share this document to email to people, and the person will receive this document. Okay, so this is how to scan your document on this printer. We scan this document, colored, and printed it out. Okay, you can also, the way we send it to this printer to print out, you have the option to send it as email, which I'm going to show you on my next video, how to scan this document black or white, and also share this document to somebody. If you're happy with this tutorial, please do consider to subscribe. Thank you.